Hi, I'm Holly Hirschberg from dinnergarden.org, and we're going to be making a weed killer with vinegar, salt, and soap. This is going to be a really serious weed killer. Salt will ruin your soil. So you want to only use it in places where you never want anything to grow. So your sidewalk, your driveway, places like that. I'm only going to make a little because I'm not going to spray the whole yard with it. This I'm going to put on my driveway. I have a weed. So I have my spray bottle and a funnel. I have about a cup of vinegar. I'm going to add that. This is so easy to make, you're not even going to believe it. But no point in spending money on those expensive chemicals when you can do it with household things. About a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to put that in and I'm going to shake it up real quick, just to mix it. You can see I did it the lazy way. I didn't even put the top on. Now I'm going to add about a teaspoon of dish soap. This is just the regular soap that you use to wash your dishes. Take a minute to get in there. Okay, at this point, once I have it in there, I'm not going to want to shake it up because what's going to happen if I shake it is that it's going to get really foamy. So I'm going to put the top on and then I'm just going to swirl it around. Okay, there's my weed killer. It's going to take down everything. It's going to take down the weeds, the roots, the leaves, everything. I want to make a label to put on my bottle. Whenever you have a bottle of things in your house, especially something that is kind of deadly to your plants, you want to label it just to make sure that when you go back you'll know what it is. So I'm going to label it with just a sticky label. I'm going to put all my ingredients on here so that there will be no guessing. Sometimes I have a couple different types and I want to make sure that I'm not using this one on something where I'm going to want something to grow. Vinegar, salt, and dish soap. Take it out, spray it on your plants, and you're ready to go.